Number 1, Zamora, Toby na press, Number 12, pass number 24, nice pass, number pass, Brock Megan. 7 against 11. Bomani Aguilar. 14 against 7. Number 0, Montes, pass to Miral, to Cahigas, G for Cahigas. 4 minutes and 10. Arnold Pana, Toby na players, 7. Rebound by Manson, throughout the green, over the back. Rubio, pass to Arnold Pana, is back. Number 12, Arenas, 7. Rebound by Bruno. Nice was over by Aguilar. Keanu Rapio. 24, pass to number 4, shot clock 13. Shot clock 10, Cahigas, one downtown, Megan. Banson, pass to Aguilar. Pagkakata Caballero, nice move, Caballero. 1 minute and 5, shot clock 15. No good, rebound by Rubio. Shot clock 10. Rusty Aguilar naman, back wala. Rebound by Manalat, Travis. Manalat to Hermoso. Hermoso back to Manalat. Bang, 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 to Marcos Mendes, shot clock 15. Aguilar, nice play. Shot clock, 90 seconds. Kinsey. Jigs. Cahigas, 5. Number 16, Caballero, Megan. Caballero, Hermoso. Basket. Miguel tumira ng press! Megan. Nice lead by Kapol. Kapol na magaling. Kapol! Brad! Number 21. Pass to number 2 for the match. Shot clock 15. Pass to Mika. Shot clock 10. Nice footwork by Mika. Another. Put back by Hermoso. Number 13, pass to Capin. Capin back to Capin. Shot clock 9. Shot clock 5. Manyas, David. Manyas na snap on the press. Apple Megan. Rebound on the press. Naya Megan. Number 18, Caballero. 24 against 23, James Flavor. Nunez, jumper, connect. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Alpermica, 3. Shot clock 15. Banson with the ball. Banson! Nice rally by Banson. It was 45 segundos. Shot clock 15. Wrong around, good. Rebound by Banson. 25 segundos. Shot by Banson is done. 25 segundos. 20 segundos. Shot clock 15. Alpermica pass to Gibor Cahigas. Wala. G segundos. Mr. Mika. 5. Zamora. Aguilar agad, rebound by Kiano. Back to Rusty Aguilar. Wala. Top back by number 7, Harold. .46 against 43. Number 24. Pass to number 16, Caballero. Banson controlling the ball, shot clock 14. Banson to Aguilar naman, dagdagan. Harold Buena, may kasama bang foul? Basket is found, foul jersey number 24. Mr. Mika. Jersey number 24, that is your third personal foul. Substitution. Complete. 49 against 45. Labaw ng upat ang DXC 30. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Number 21, Hermosa Nagad. Rebound by Montes. Montes back to Cahigas. Shot clock 9. Caballero na naman. Nagad. Nice pass, Banson to Aguilar. 51 against 25. Control na ilabaw. Shot clock 14. Shot clock down to 10. Number 0, Montes pass to number 21 to number 16. Shot clock 40. Number 16, Caballero. 7 minutes and 20. 37 against 51. Number 7, Harold Pono. Pass to Zamora, shot clock 10. Shot clock 5, Kiriano Rupio. Number 23, Cahigas. Nice defense. Number 7, Rebound by Black. Number 16, pass to Montes to Chinoy. May kasama ng foul. Basket is gone. Foul jersey number 2. Push. Less cholesterol. Jersey number 2, first personal foul. And first team foul. Shot clock 15. Nice defense by Montes. Hagigas pass to Montes. Montes, nice steal. Hermosa to Johnny Montes. The foul in jersey number 2. Shot 15. Good, Miguel, number 3. First to 1 point. Alista on the score, 53 all. That's all pass to Zamora. Zamora, wala. Rebound by Caballero. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Shot clock 15. Cajigas pass to Gino Hermoso. Banson, Levet, rebound by Hermoso. Alpena, basket and one. Basket is gone. Foul jersey number 21 on plus bonus draw. Jersey number 21, Hermoso, that is your third personal foul and third team foul. Substitution. Atong oras. 3 minutes. Shot clock 15. Robert Ral. Rebound by Rubio. Banson, nagdadala na bola. Nagmamadali. Pass to Rubio. To Kapin. Kapin. Rebound by Cajigas. Cajigas na nagmamalik. Cajigas pass to Rubio. First throw, 1 point. Another 1 point. 62 against 56. About an A&G store. Banson controlling the ball. Shot clock 15. Banson. Wala. Rebound by Hermoso. Hermoso for Romeral. Romeral. Easy basket by Romeral. Apple from downtown. Rebound by Hermoso. Hermoso. Nagdadala ng bola. Hermoso. Habib. Habib control the ball. Is blocked. Manalat to Romeral. Romeral. No good. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Montes, pass to Gino Hermoso. Shot clock 5. There's the pass. Barchinko segundos. Barchinko. 20 segundos. Aguilar Curry. 15 segundos. The bounce for pass. And the game AFC score.